Hello, and thank you for joining me today. I'm Kelvin Miller, a customer success specialist here at Cisco, and today I'm going to walk you through installing the AppDynamics Smart Agent using the zip file located on the AppDynamics download site. I will be configuring this on an AWS Linux EC2 instance. Let's get started. First, we're going to download and unzip the Smart Agent onto the server. Let's go over to my browser, which I've already navigated over to the AppDynamics download site. Now for types, we're going to filter on agent management and locate the AppDynamics Smart Agent for Linux zip file. We're going to click curl, then the copy widget, and go over to the SSH client that I've already connected to the server that we want to install the Smart Agent on. I'm going to paste the copy here, hit enter, and it's going to copy the file over to my server, the ls, and I see my zip file. I've already created the opt AppDynamics directory. So up under it, we're going to also create a appd smart agent directory when doing the unzip. So the command I'm going to type is unzip-d, the new directory name for the smart agent, which is going to be appd smart agent. And now I'm going to put the actual file, the zip file. Hit enter. It unzips the file. We're going to do a ls. We now see the appd smart agent directory. We're going to cd over into it and do a ls, and we see the actual files that was unzipped from the zip file. The smart agent is now ready to start. In this video, we're going to create a service to control the smart agent as far as starting and stopping of the agent. Let's go over to the SSH client and create this service. So to create this service, let's first make sure we're in the proper directory. So I'm gonna do a UD, and we're in opt AppDynamics Smart Agent. I'm gonna do a ls, and I'm gonna type in the command that will create the actual service for us, which is Smart Agent CTL start dash dash enable auto attach. So it will auto attach to any process that is a Java process that need to be monitored. So that's the auto attach, and now we're going to put dash dash service, hit enter, and the service is created. And you see that it started the service, so we should be able to type system ctl status smart agent dot service, and we see the smart agent running. I'm gonna hit Control C to get out of here, and we can also type stop to stop the smart agent and go back in and start to start it back. You also can use the restart in the place of stop and start. So now that we have the agent installed and started, let's go over to the actual controller. Now we're in the controller, and you see that the actual smart agent is reporting into the controller. So this is how you start a smart agent using the service. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this short video has provided valuable insights into the installation and use of the AppDynamics Smart Agent. Please check the description for links, and if you have any questions, please contact your account owner to set up a meeting. Once again, thank you for watching and have a good day.